big. Do you have any 2 ripe bananas at home? Well, don't toast it out. You can make something nice out of it. Today I'm going to bake Eggles banana chocolate muffin. You know the song? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Let's get this video started. We need 3 ripe banana, 140 grams of flour, 80 grams of plain yogurt, 125 chocolate chip, 50 grams of vegetable oil, 20 grams of dark chocolate powder, 50 grams of brown sugar, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, and some chips for decoration. Let's get started! Add the flour and sieve it. Now add the 20 grams of dark powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 of soda, and sieve it again. Now mix it well. This is very fun. I love baking. Now we mash the banana. Being the best thing I ever did in my life. I love baking! Now add the oil, yogurt, and the brown sugar, and mix it well. It smells more like Christmas. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Now let's mix the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now let's mix it well. Are you hungry, guys? Look how so stood up and look. This is optional, guys, but you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oops, I almost forgot about the chocolate chips. Now let's put it in the muffin cup. Get started! Oops, let's put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Guys, ask your parents to help you put this in the oven because the oven is very, very hot. Now let's wait for 30 minutes. Let's decorate the muffin, guys. You can use anything you like. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to share your muffin with your neighbors. Bye-bye.